This is Motorola Moto E14, and today I would like to show how you can fix the incoming phone call receptivity issues on this device. So you should begin by checking if your system is in the Do Not Disturb or airplane mode, since those features prevent you from, receiving any incoming phone calls. And the easiest way to check it is to launch the control panel by swiping downwards from the right half of your status bar. And here you should look for the Do Not Disturb and airplane mode tiles or shortcuts. And as I've already mentioned, deactivate them if they are switched or either of them is switched on. Then what you might also want to try is to launch your device's settings. Here enter the network and internet category, then go for the mobile network, select the SIM card you're experiencing those problems with, and try switching off VoLTE calls and Wi-Fi calling features. Even though those options are designed to improve the quality of your phone calls, to enhance the quality by using internet connection, under certain circumstances and in certain cases, those options may interfere with your ability to receive any incoming phone calls. So it is worth to try switching both of them off. And if that didn't help either, I recommend that you first take out the SIM card, take it out your phone. You can watch a tutorial how to do that on our channel still. And wipe it down or wipe its contact side down using a cloth. And ideally, if the cloth you use is dipped in some kind of electronics friendly cleaning solution or cleaning liquid, or simply alcohol will do just fine if you have the ethanol. And if that will not help as well, you should simply contact your carrier or mobile or cellular network provider, since at this point most probably the issue lays on their end rather than yours. And as far as this particular video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.